Over to the camera. Something funny.
Yummy!
Here, put this on you. Put this on your head.
That'll get millions of views.
Come on, people would love to see that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, slime lemons!
Oh, daddy. Oh! What's up, guys? It's me, Slytherin. Okay. What's up, guys? It's me, Slytherin, and
Can I take your name, Slime Bro?
Slime Bro. Yeah, his name is Slime Bro.
Alright. And it's your boy, Slime Bro.
Hey,
Oh.
since slime is the latest craze on YouTube, everyone is talking about slime. Nick Compton, you know. So we're gonna do a sexual video about slime because they are. Close the door. Close the door.
Close the door.
Close the door. Okay. We heard visitors coming. Okay. Close the door. Ew. Oh, I hope you like my underwear today.
Danger. That's a danger zone right there.
Oh, yeah. Hard.
Okay. Wait, stop. Stop!
You're scaring me. Okay, you did it. You did it. Guys, you ask for it, you get it.
Yummy!
Comments?
Not yet, but they're gonna be filled with slime lovers and feet lovers.
No, that's me.
Slay me!
It's not slime. Go check.
Oh yeah, look at all that dirt. Yeah, boy.
Oh my god.
Get really in there. Oh yeah. Get between the toes.
Oh.
Get between the toes. Get between the toes, nigga. Oh shit. Oh yeah.
Shout to WWE Slime Lovers Slime.
We'll be sliming it all day long.
No, that's my channel. So
Wait, no.
shut the fudge up.
Ew.
You'll make me fall.
Oh yeah. Oh, just wrap it around it. Oh yeah, little cute pretzel we have here. Oh yeah.
Where's the controller at?
All right, guys, please subscribe to me.
Yummy!
Hey guys, it's me again, your fidget boy, and we're here to talk to some girls. So let's explore this adventure and come on with me. Let's go. Wait. Lucky Charm. Okay. Oh wait. Okay, let's go. Oh damn it, we had the chips.
And he
We just want some cake. It's only girl.
We have to go somewhere.
They're 8-year-olds. Hey guys, it's me again, your favorite boy, Spinner Boy. Now we're here to prank my bro, and he's gonna be here from work any second. So we have to do this. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's. Oh.
slay me! Oh, yummy!
Boo!
Hey, get out here!
Oh, what are you doing?
The freak, bro! I was just playing with my slime. Oh, you got this on film?
We got you. We pranked you. Hey, what's up, guys? This is us again. What are we?
The chef niggas.
The chef niggas, and we're here to make some ramen noodle. Make DUI, right? Do it yourself. DIY. Do it yourself. And this is all you need. You know, just a couple grains of salt. Oh, and this is my chef assistant.
Hey.
He's just gonna be standing around, cause this is really easy. Okay. Salt. ketchup, and don't forget Jack's ketchup. And a
Just like Mama used to make.
And a candle. Make sure it's not lit. And it needs to look like this, you know. Make sure it looks kind of like, I don't know. Alright. Set your candle there. You got like...
Need me to help you, chef?
Who told you to talk? Who told you to talk, boy?
I'm sorry! I am the true chef.
You about to catch a fade, nigga.
You're scaring me, chef.
Good. We lost the ketchup. We can't lose Jack's ketchup.
We lost it when we were fighting.
We lost it because of you, you bastard.
Oh, blame this on me.
Okay. Ketchup. Oh, damn you. Oh, there's the ketchup. Thank you. Okay. Ketchup. Right?
Yes, sir.
So, candle in the middle. In the middle. Ketchup. You just want a few drops. Nothing too bad. Nothing too shabby. You know, something like this. You could throw this away. Oh no! You fool! You fool! No! No! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? No! Few salts. Bam! Bam!
Don't forget to throw some couple veggie straws in there, chef.
You're gonna ruin it, you dumb bastard! You idiot!
Oh, my skin! Oh, I got sensitive skin. Oh, the veggie. No! My veggie straws! Oh,
Did on purpose! Okay.
It's okay. Nigga, we out here.
5-second rule, right?
Oh crap! There's people right there, we didn't even know!
That's mom. Oh no.
Oh, Peter.
This sauce!
I'm embarrassed.